To begin creating dynamic motion in your Webflow designs, we'll focus on implementing sliding effects for various elements. We'll start with a fundamental example applying a sliding effect to a text block first. Select the specific element you wish to animate, and then navigate to the Interactions panel. To initiate a new interaction, click the plus icon within the Element Trigger section. This setting ensures that your animation responds to user interaction, or when the element comes into view. For an animation that activates as the user scrolls down the page, choose While Scrolling in View Next. Click the plus icon again to define a new animation timeline. Now we need to instruct Webflow on how the text should animate. Click on Start an Animation, and then select New Element Interaction. To achieve the sliding effect, we will combine two primary properties, opacity and move. Let's begin by setting the initial state at the very start of the timeline, 0% mark. Set the opacity to 0, making the text completely invisible. Following that, adjust the move property. You can offset the element either horizontally or vertically to determine its starting position. For this demonstration, we will move the text down by 50 pixels. Now advance the timeline slider to the right, for instance, to the 25% mark. This is where we will define the animation's concluding state. Set the opacity back to 100, making the text fully visible. For the move property, reset it to 0 pixels. This action will return the text to its original position, thus creating the appearance of a sliding motion. Webflow automatically interpolates these keyframes to create a seamless transition. You have the flexibility to modify the duration and easing of the animation for a refined visual experience. Observe how the text now gracefully enters the screen as the user scrolls. This technique is versatile and can be applied to images, buttons, or any other element to enhance visual engagement. Explore the application of sliding elements for diverse functionalities, such as building carousel-like navigation systems or implementing polished sliding effects for navigation menus. By mastering these straightforward sliding techniques, you can elevate your Webflow websites, transforming them into captivating interactive experiences that effectively engage your audience.